recognized symbol of excellence in sports entertainment.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this beautiful sunny Sunday. Get your shit together, it's Pride Month. My name is Vinnie and this is Mean Jane. We have a special wish and a special gift, just for all gays, lesbians, and trans. Oh, and of course for all motherfuckers. Don't forget the ladies, because we love them ladies. Women's only women's, right, Mean Jane? We love cherries and cherry season, yummy. A big titty cherry called milk, so refreshing. We don't eat hotdogs in summer, no does no one. The camels, the chicken gags, have fun. Happy Pride Month, Vinnie. Oh, keep sucking my dick.